Golf Course, and this I'm fixing anything which is broke. So I'm fixing them with some people call us.
Out in the mountains, away from city chaos, we went for a stay, seeking peace and to enjoy nature. A place where our hearts were full of love, where cuddles were how the day started, where kids' playtime were not limited to just gadgets, where early morning walks was a blessing for whole day, where we could breathe fresh air, where I felt like a free bird, where I was a child and she was my mother, where beautiful sunset was our daily affair. So, let's see how it all started. Hi everyone, this is Silky from Mommytravelstories and welcome to my next vlog about our road trip from Gurgaon to Naldhera. So all those who don't know where is Naldhera, it is 1 hour ahead of Shimla and we are doing a 3 days trip, and basically it's a road trip. We have taken it takes around 10 hours to reach this place from Gurgaon, and I'm going to show you what all we did because this trip is during the COVID time, so keeping all the precautions and safety, what all we did, I'm gonna tell you everything. And before I get started, you know what you need to do. You need to subscribe to the channel Mommy Travel Stories and like, share, comments. And we'll start from the journey from Gurgaon, how we started and how we reached here. So let's get started. Finally, after the 10 hours long journey, we have reached to our destination. Chalets, Naldhera is where we are going to stay. All our tiredness is already gone because the property is really beautiful and I'm going to show you what's inside. So quickly come and let's check in. This is our chalet where we are going to stay, and it has got a private lawn as well. So we are going to have fun because Khwahish is going to enjoy and run here, right? So let's see our room where we are going to stay. 3 of our chalets here. So we already checked the room and had tea as well, but now I'm going to give you a room tour. So as you enter, this is the living place. So this is where you can sit, and there are curtains here, empty of sunlight. How beautiful this chalet is. And this is a little dining space. And also there is a facility of kitchen as well. So we just kept our stuff here, but you can make tea if you want. I've got to know people bring their stove also, they can cook also here. So, and this is a fireplace. We're definitely going to use this fireplace in the evening. And this is the washroom. This is the bedroom. Come on, let's show the bedroom. So this is the bedroom and it has got a heater as well. So pretty warm. Let's go up. And there is an important place which Khwaish is really loved. So there is an attic in this chalet. Come, let's go. Okay, be careful. Hold Mama hand. Hold Mama hand. So Khwaish says that this is her room and she wanna enjoy here. How pretty this attic is. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have reached around 4:30. We started around 5:30 in the morning and we have reached at 4:30 because we took frequent breaks. And now we're just going to take a power nap for an hour or so. And in the evening, we are just not going to do anything. Sit around the fireplace and have fun. That's it. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to give you the property tour. So for today is just the room tour. And she's already sleeping. You're already sleeping? Are you tired? What's first? Change your clothes and then sleep. Okay? Okay. All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, so it is our first day and we are very relaxed. We're very lazy also. So I just order my Betty. So we're just having Betty and this girl will have milk. Will you have milk?
No,
No. What do you want to have?
I want to have.
She's still thinking. So just having a lazy Betty and then we'll go for breakfast. And I want to show you the morning view. Come on, I'll show you the morning view. We're going to do breakfast in our friend's room. So I haven't told, we have come with our family friends and let's go for breakfast. Khwaish, where are you going?
I'm going to Alex.
So that chalet which you can see in front is where our friends are staying. Okay, so this is the chalet where our friends are staying. Kids are pretty excited, so we have asked for a breakfast in the room itself. Alright, so now let me give you the property tour. So this is a chalet where we are staying, and as I told you, this property is 18 years old but beautifully maintained, and these are our naughty 2 kids which have come along with us. So let me show you the view. Come on, come on. Slowly, be careful, okay? So this is a lawn just right in front of the chalet that we have. Let me show you the complete view of the chalet. It's just beautiful. It's a huge property. If you can see, this is a swimming pool. I'll also show you the swimming pool. It's a heated pool, just covered with the glasses, and play area is also, kid play area is also here, and beautiful pine tree. And look how the kids are enjoying. We are going to have lunch here only at this place. Let's go and show you something else. So now I'm gonna take you to that revolving restaurant. So it has got a 360-degree view of the entire valley. So let me take you to that place, and I have 2 kids with me. So let me show you this spectacular 360-degree revolving restaurant that Chalet has got. Just have a look at it. So there is a dining space. I'll show you the view from this revolving restaurant. You get a 360-degree view of the entire valley. This is the entry of the property. So just have a look at. So this is how it is moving. So we are going for trek now. And we have a staff from property who is escorting us to this trek. And there are a lot of monkeys at this place. So he's taking a danda with him so that if the monkey come, he can shoo. So it's already night time and quite chilly here, and we've already requested the hotel staff to put this bonfire. We're going to have dinner right here near the chalet, and just have a look how beautiful it looks. So the entire atmosphere itself is really beautiful and quite chilly. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a viewpoint. So this property has got a lot of viewpoints. So come along and I'm gonna show you a viewpoint. Come. See. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is the viewpoint from here. You can see the entire valley and one of the chalets is here. So this chalet has also got a private kind of a terrace. And this side you can look, this is the swimming pool, completely covered with the glass. And this is the viewpoint. Alright, so now let's go and see the swimming pool. Come Koish, come. Let's see the swimming pool. So there's a stairs to go down to the swimming pool. You can have a look at how beautiful it looks. And wait, this is a real flower, real plant. I don't know. I was not able to believe that this is real, but this is actually real. So there are two pools basically. One of the pool is for adults. So this pool is for adult, and there the pool that you see is the child pool. Right now it's not operational. Look at this. Such a beautiful view of the entire valley. It's so nice. Okay, so we have come to golf course. Naldhera has got a golf course which has a beautiful viewpoint. Imagine a golf course on such a height, and we are sitting on a horse. This little girl is also sitting on a horse, and we are taking a ride. So this is the way up. So the horse charges is 500 per horse, and there is a 20 rupees entry ticket. And we're going to climb to this way. I'm really scared. So the way is not very bumpy. I am scared, but so this is the way we are climbing. I know the camera must be shaking because I am completely shaking. So we have taken a stop on this golf course. Let me show you. It's all jungle right now. There is no one here, and it is a good spot for the pictures.